Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Well, guess what? I think I'm done with my swap. Anyway, I'm here to share what I created for our swap with Patty, who is Mommy and Me Crafts here on YouTube and Instagram. She's hosting a Springflowerswap. Springflowerswap. Oh my gosh, say that 10 times fast. And there's to be no extras, and you just create pretty packaging. Okay, so I will share with you. You're supposed to make 3 different size flowers. It doesn't matter what material you use, whether it's paper, vellum, felt, faux leather, all that good stuff. It doesn't matter. It's your choice, and you just make it pretty. And then your packaging. So this is what I've done. These are the 3 size pillow purses from Scrap Diva 29. Her shop is scrapdivadesigns.com. So if you guys are interested, I'm pretty sure everybody knows Erica's shop. Super talented. Love all her dies. So I picked up all 3 sizes. There's 3 sizes to her pillow purse die set. You purchase them individually. I purchased all 3. Okay, so let's start with the small purse. This is the small pillow purse, and I wanted to put my small flowers in here. So that's what I've done. I have 2 different styles of flowers included in this little purse. And my pillow purse, it opens from the top. I've said before, you can seal this closed, keep the purse closed, and just open on the side. And you can still do that with my purse and just pull out your flowers. But I love that it can open all the way. Okay, so what did I do? I used my flat back jemmies. These are ready sticky back jemmies that were gifted to me. This blue set here was gifted to me by, I believe it was Inez or Hillary. One of the 2 ladies that, you know, have shared Happy Mail with me. And it's just a strip of 3. Let me share. It's those long strip of jemmies. Or maybe this was from Carolyn, I want to say, maybe Tea Time and Dolls. I can't remember, guys, because I received so much Happy Mail. So if it's one of you 3 ladies, thank you. They come in strips of 3, and all I did was I cut the rows down so that I could go around the bottom edge and then the sides, and then I went on the handle here, and then I put a flat back gem here, which is from Eve Atta, and she has a shop here on Instagram. I don't have the packaging with me right now, but it had 3 different size gems, guys. How perfect was that? Like, seriously, I had to use it on all my purses so that you know it's in the same collection. Okay, the other thing I added was some seam binding that I picked up from MYSCRAPCABINSHOP on Etsy, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are familiar with that beautiful shop. She sells seam binding, and it's hand dyed and all that good stuff, and it's crinkled, so it comes like this. I love it crinkled. I don't care that it's wrinkled. I love that texture of the seam binding. So I just took a piece of the seam binding and tied it around one of the handles on my purse. So it looks like that. And this purse die comes with this zipper detail and a zipper pull, and it comes with 3 different kinds of pull. So all 3 have different zipper pulls. So here we go. And it goes the same with the medium and the large pillow purses. So that is the small pillow purse, and it has the small flowers. This is the medium, And it has the same as the blue trim right here, this Gemmy. It's sticky back already. And this one is from Eve out of shop. And so is the pink bling. And then I added some more of that seam binding to one side of the handle. I thought that was cute. Oh wait, let me show you the flowers that are inside. And so these are my medium-sized flowers. And that is what you have to include. So you include six small flowers, 4 medium flowers, and then here for the large, this sticky back pearl trim I had in my stash, and I think it came from Hilda or Inez, one of the two. Hold on guys, let me just turn this down a little. And then I added the largest pink heart bling on this one. And then I just added the green, or mint is the name of this color, seam binding on the handle. So you open this one up and you have my 2 large flowers with a mini, I added 6 of my really teeny tiny flowers in there. So this is felt. And I use the Cocoa and Reno dye from my monthly subscription. And I put a little backing on there so that it's all nice and neat. And that's what this one looks like. So now these little flowers are a cut file on my Cricut. And I just used one of those rolled flowers available on the design space. And then I added another punched flower to the back of it just to make it neat on the back. Now this little leaf here is from a Dollar Tree die set. So it just has different leaf die pieces. Okay. So that's what this one is going to hold. And I'm not putting any stuffing in these purses. And this would hold all my flowers. Okay. I do have to put my label on here, so I gotta put labels on all of that. To package my pillow purses, I'm using a sleeve protector, page protector, and I'll put it in my open side here. And I sized this so that the pillows won't get squished. And I made a shaker on the excess. At first I was going to cut it off, but I said, yeah, we'll just leave it. And then we turned it into a shaker, and I sectioned it off in 3 so that we have our shaker bits on all 3 levels. And I did this during our Wacky Wednesday with Louisa on her channel. If you want to watch the replay, go check her channel out. Subscribe if you haven't. It's a lot of fun there. We have so much fun. And so this is how I'm going to package my pillow purses. And then I will just put a bag topper on top of this. So this is what it's going to look like with the bag topper. I'll put a doily, a paper doily on top, and decorate it with some of my flowers. And I will probably tie this on top with some seam binding just to keep it folded over, something like this. It'll look like this with a tag, with a tag on there. Whoops. But you know, this will be sealed. I will close this up with the doily. And then my flowers on top. So it'll look like that. I think that's cute. I'll make it a little neater, but yeah, that's what I've got. So all I need now is just my labels onto my little purses, and put a little card on here, one for Patty and then one for my swap partners. And then I will be done. So what I'm going to do is double stick tape and put it across just the shaker side. And then for now, I'm going to close this up. Just fold this over and then seal it at the top. Okay, just like that. So you can see the shaker on one side. All right, and then you take your doily and you're going to fold your doily in half. This is going to be my bag topper. And let me just, hold on. So take your bag topper. I'm going to use hot glue on one side and double stick tape on the other. And it's going to look like a mess, but this is how we do it. You take your bag topper and put it right there. And you could still get into your, in here. It's not sealed right there. And now you take your double stick tape and put it on the other half of the doily. That's a lot of tape. Take the doily and fold it down just like that. And that will keep it closed. So to keep this loose and shut, I'm going to use my seam binding and just tie a bow. Just tie this up so that it just gives it a little more security and it won't flap open. Tie it down here towards the bottom. You could still move it around a little bit, and then I'm just tying a simple bow, and I'm going to add my name, my tag to the bow, and that way they know who this one's from. All right, so these are the leftover flowers that I created for the swap, and this is what we're doing with these extra flowers. I'm going to take these flowers and glue them into the center of my layered flowers. I think they're cute once you get them all put together. I think they look okay. All right, and then you add these to your bag topper. Let me see. So I just add the center parts. Let me add the outsides first. Just add it to the doily. So even if it sticks, it's okay. You're going to still be able to pull this open and use that. Use all these pieces over again. Okay, I'm gonna stick that right in the middle, and I think that's cute. And once these are fluffed up, you can pop the petals up a little, give it more dimension. It's gonna look so cute. You just pop it up just like that. Okay, look at that. This is a flower swap for real. Spring flower swap. Look at that. So my package looks like this, and there's no extras, so this doesn't count as an extra. I count it as part of my packaging. And if my swap partners want to cut those open and use them in their shakers, that's perfectly fine with me. But this is what they will all look like, just like that. This is for Patty's Mommy and Me Spring Flower Swap. This one's a little too tight. So you guys go check out Patty. She will be doing some unboxings and some sharings. So make sure you subscribe to her channel, and that way you won't miss out on any of the ladies who are participating in this swap. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.